everyone, we're going to find all points of intersection of the given curves. We have two lemniscates, and let's see, I did a little sketch of them. Of course, this one is your sine, cosine. Of course, these should be more curvy in this area. So let me go over it a little bit. All right. And the green one is your sine. The green one I didn't do very well on. So here we go. This is your sine. Let me make it a little more curvy. Of course, you might want to just go ahead and use your calculator. Now, for points of intersection, clearly the pole here is a point of intersection. So we don't need to. Let's just write that. That's your pole. And it looks like we have this point of intersection and this point of intersection. And I try to match it up. But to solve, we're just going to set them equal to each other. So basically, we're setting a sine. Since r squared equals r squared, just set sine of 2 theta equals cosine of 2 theta. Now divide both sides by cosine. You get sine of 2 theta divided by cosine of 2 theta, which equals tan of 2 theta is going to equal 1. You just divide this by cosine. You get 1. So basically, tan of theta equals 1 at pi divided by 4. So you set 2 theta equals pi divided by 4 plus, we're going to write 2 in pi. Since, because we want our sine and cosine, let's write this out. Sine of 2 theta and cosine of 2 theta must be positive in our equations because we have r squared. So that's why we don't need to just do pi. We can use, usually with tan we use 2 pi, or we just use pi. But since both our sine and cosine of 2 thetas have to be positive. Now, since we have that, let's divide our equation and get our angle is going to be pi divided by 8 plus divide this by 2, you get n pi. All right. So this is going to happen at, according to our graphs here, quadrants 1 and 3. So we're going to have, you add pi, you're going to get pi divided by 8 or 9 pi divided by 8. Because you're just adding pi. That's 8 pi divided by 8. So at those 2 points, we're going to have pi divided by 8 and 9 pi divided by 8. These are right here. So this is your pi divided by 4, and you just, or this is your pi divided by 4. So this will be your pi divided by 8. And this piece right here will be your 9 pi divided by 8. It's just half of your pi divided by 4, which is 22.5 degrees. All right, substituting them back into our original equations, this is going to give you, for this piece, 1 divided by the 4th root of the square root of 2. And for this piece, we're going to get the same thing. 1 divided by 4th root of square root of 2. So you have 3 solutions. It's the pole, and it's these 2. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.